अटल सेतूच्या पुराय सर्फेसाचें काम करपाचे गरज आसा अशें म्हापशेचो आमदार जोशुआ डिसोजान म्हटलें। GSIDCच्या अभियंत्यांनी ह्या विशीं एका एजन्सी कडेन उलोवप केला आनी ही एजन्सी रोखडोच ह्या समस्याचेर तोडगो काडटले अशें जोशुआ सांगता।
Patch work to be done. As आमकां दिसपाक येता, there have been patches on this very beautiful structure that government has spent so much money on. And म्हाका वायट दिसता की आयज तेजी परिस्थिती आयज जी आसा, we are in this current situation. Without trying to blame anybody, maybe certain things were not taken into account. आमकां खबर आसा की the last couple of years we've been having very aggressive monsoons, lot of humidity in the air. Maybe the technology that was used was not suitable to the conditions of the state of Goa, or maybe the western coast of India. So the concerned authorities told me that they would come up with a proper solution wherein they would figure a way to ensure that the contact between the base, that is concrete, and the asphalt layer was done using the appropriate material. So म्हाका दिसता the engineers at GSIDC have already approached an agency where they are coming up with a holistic solution. I have spoken to them about 2 weeks ago, and I spoke to the MD as well, Mr. Atkunter. तेणे सुद्धा म्हाका सांगला की जशें तांकां अपडेट येता, they will try to ensure that the entire bridge is done. It is still in the defect liability period. आमकां खबर आसा की right from the northern side to the southern side, they will have to remove the entire surface and repave the entire bridge.